Hey there, math whizzes! Today we're diving into the world of addition. Get ready for some adding magic because by the end of this video you'll be an addition superstar. Let's go! So, what is addition? Addition means putting things together. When we add, we combine two groups to find out how many we have in total. Look at these apples. If we add 2 apples plus 3 apples, we get, that's right, 2 plus 3 equals 5. Addition is all about adding up. Let's try adding with our fingers. Hold up your fingers like this and let's count together. If you have 3 fingers on one hand and 2 on the other, how many do we have in total? You got it, 5 fingers. Counting with your fingers is a quick and easy way to add. Now let's try adding with some fun objects. Here are 4 cubes and over here we have 3 more. Let's count them all together to find the total. Awesome! 4 plus 3 equals 7. You're getting the hang of this. Let's try using a number line. Our friend here starts at 2. We want to add 5. So let's hop 5 spaces forward and see where we land. 2 plus 5 equals 7. See how easy it is to add with a number line? You can even draw one at home. Here's a special addition trick, adding doubles. When you add the same number twice, like 2 plus 2 or 3 plus 3, it's called doubling. Let's try some. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Doubling is a quick and easy way to add. Time for a quick quiz. I'll show you a problem and you give it a try. What's 3 plus 4? Great job. 3 plus 4 is 7. Let's try another one. What's 6 plus 2? You're amazing at this. Keep it up. You've learned so many ways to add, using your fingers, a number line, doubling, and even singing. You're an addition expert now. Great job, everyone. Keep practicing these tricks and you'll get even better. Thanks for adding with us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more math fun. See you next time.